Let's face it, AI is changing how people is searching around the web. Now they're using AI to search. Now Search Atlas is the world's first agentic marketing platform built to get your brand found everywhere, from search engines to AI LLMs. So all you have to do is talk to it through a chat. It gives you clear recommendations and applies them directly to your site. So no dashboards full of data that is not basically useful most of the time. You have actionable insights you can implement instantly, saving time and money. So this is Search Atlas, and it's super easy to get started. So instead of just viewing random data in most of the search engine optimization systems out there, you can actually chat with it to apply changes, get insights, and get even content to post on your website. So let me go ahead and log in to show you what I'm talking about. This is my agent hub, and I'm ready to use AI inside of Search Atlas. Now I have my website connected with my WordPress website, and it's crazy amazing everything that Search Atlas does. So instead of just being your ordinary SEO system, this actually has a bunch of features that has insights and will actually do actions inside of your website. So let's go ahead and get started with the main dashboard here on Search Atlas. You have two options. If you don't like the Agent Hub, you can jump into the classic mode, but the power is inside of here of Agent Hub. You can get started by, for example, fixing critical on-page SEO on your website. So just go ahead and select your project. And in this case, I have this project, and it's going to kick off the Search Atlas AI analysis for this purpose. Now you have several available options here that you have, like the quick run playbooks, or you can go ahead and chat with it and tell it what you actually want. So if you want to be more specific on the actions that you want to make, this is the best way to do it. Now, right now it's going to work, and it's going to give me the options to fix critical on-page SEO issues. Now, in this case, I'm not going to wait for this to finish because I just want to give you the overall idea of what you can do here on Search Atlas. Now, let me go ahead and open up one of my projects. This is a fairly new site, which I haven't worked on. So I immediately added Search Atlas right here to start working on it. Now, you'll see here that I have the AI SEO is engaged. So I have this on. This is so it ranks, it analyzes, and it's going to tell me if this is actually ranking on ChatGPT, on Gemini, Claude, etc. Because the focus here is not just ordinary search engines like Google or Bing. It's ranking inside of AI, because we're changing the way that we're actually searching. Because when I search now, I guess I search 80% of my searches in AI. So things are changing, and this is going to be enabled to get the results that I want. In this case, this is connected to my business. This is a local business, so it's a great option if you enable this. So the Google business will grab details from there. So we got the holistic SEO pillars, which is content, authority, technicals, UX signals, organic keywords, backlink search, and a lot of details that you'll be able to view right here. Now you'll see here visibility by AI platforms. Now in this case, it's a brand new site, so I obviously am not ranking, but you can see here, Google AI, ChatGPT, and Gemini. So it's super important that you monitor this. That way you're actually ranking with them. So you'll pop up in those search results. Now, a few days ago, I actually searched for a specific type of water, and I got results from a local business. So yes, AI searching is a thing. It's not something that's made up, right? There's a content strategy that I can work on right here. So I got my topical coverage score, total topics, article generated. This case, as I mentioned, is a brand new site, but there's a lot of details that I can get more information here. So for example, I can view page title here, the level, the page type. I can create this article right here by just clicking on the actions. So it's a really great option. I'll show you more content options when I get to that point. You got your on-page strategy. Here we go. As I mentioned, brand new site. So of course, there's a lot of things that I need to fix. So I need to go through all of these and fix this right here. So I'm going to get the recommendations, and I got the bulk action to apply. So go ahead and take advantage of this. A backlink strategy, the local SEO. So in this case, it's a local business. So I'm getting a GBP score, the average rank, citation score, the rating, etc. So here's the business location, the keywords that I'm analyzing here. So here it is, the task that I need to work on. So I need to add missing social profile links to this, add action links. So it helps me do this right here. So I can go ahead and add it and save the changes. So I don't need to go to GBP to do this. I can do it straight from Search Atlas. My active citations, and here we go. So a lot of details available for the local business. I got the completed task and the ignore task if I send them to ignore. Then I got my smart ad options here. So if I want to import from Google Ads, and start working on them right here and get recommendations here. That is possible by connecting. So it's a really robust system. So it's not an SEO service that stands on the side and just gives you ideas. It will actually give you good ideas that you can implement straight from here, right? So I got my site metrics straight from here, and here's cedar cabinets. As I mentioned, this is a brand new site, but I'm going to get a lot of details specifically for this site. So I got my overview for this site. Here we go. As I mentioned before, not a lot of details because this is a brand new site. Okay. Then I got my LLM visibility, and you can see here a few details for that. Not a lot because brand new site. Keywords, topical dominance, pages, subdomains, precision changes, backlinks, competitors. I mean, a lot of features available here on Search Atlas. Then we have the local system here. Again, if this is a local business for that specific site, then you'll get a lot of details for this because it's connected to Google Business Profile. So this is the business profile. I can view the quick overview here of this profile, the tasks that I need to run. And just like you saw in the other section, it's similar, but you got more details available here. And you can see here really clearly things that need to be fixed. So for example, for images, here's the suggestions. And the suggestions, for example, woodworker would be better than carpenter. So I need to edit this, change it to woodworker, and apply it. And it's going to be super easy for all of the rest of the information. So a lot of insights here for the local system. Then I got the content creator. I can actually ask it to create content for me right here. For example, I asked it to create a piece of content for me for the expo that went down, which is 2026. This expo is currently happening, so this would be a great topic. And you can see this is a Spanish site, so the content is in Spanish, but I got a lot of details. Plus, I'm going to get the SEO score on the right. So automatically, I haven't done any changes to this. I got a fantastic score because it has already analyzed the competitors, the optimization, the keyword ranking, and that has been applied to this piece of content. Now I can go ahead and score this. I can make changes with the content agent here. I have the refiners. I have the chat option to keep on making changes to this specific piece of content. And this is a fantastic option to create content straight from here. That's going to be optimized to rank in search engines and AI searches. So take full advantage of this, all right? Then you got a specific feature here for keywords. You can do keyword research, use keyword magic, rank tracker, and keyword gap. So you have all these available options, and you can also create reports straight from here. So just go ahead, select the site that you want to create a report for, either a report for a site that you have to connect it or a site that you analyze from a competitor, for example, and you can create that here with the classic view or the new view straight from here. Then you got your authority options here. So see how your domain is ranking. You got your PR distribution, cloud task, indexers, link building, etc. Just a lot of available features. Smart ads. So if you have connected the system, you can create them straight from here. Your social features straight from here. You can create projects and make posts straight from here. And the website studio. So if you want to create a landing page straight from here, that is possible. Now, as I mentioned before, this website is connected to Search Atlas straight via plugin. So I'm going to get a bunch of additional features inside of the website to make changes. So I got my quick dashboard to view the details here. I have my indexation features available here, so I can decide what to disallow or allow from here. Redirections to create them right here. Robot.txt, I can modify it straight from here. So it's really practical. Now I can make changes from here really easily. XML sitemap, I can generate it from here. I can also enable auto updates, and that's going to enable the sitemap link that I can use in search engines to get found, right? And what I want to allow them to find. The Schema Markup, 404 monitor, site verification, SEO health. So how is this site doing with SEO? In this case, obviously really bad because it's a brand new site, but you can see here, SEO title is missing, meta description is missing. So I need to work on this. There's the import SEO data, local businesses, and the breadcrumbs, plus a bunch of additional features that you can enable here. Let me go ahead and show you one of the pages, well, posts in this case, because there's additional features inside of each post that you can create inside of WordPress. So for example, this post that was created, if I scroll down here, I'll have additional features that I can tweak inside of this post. For example, social media and open graph by Search Atlas. So these options are not available by default by WordPress. This is Search Atlas at its finest working. So I can enable this or disable this. I have the Twitter card tags, the social media preview, the single page SEO here, for example, common robots by Meta by Search Atlas. So I can index this, no index, no follow, no archive, no image index, no snippets. So a lot of available options that you just tick on and go ahead and save. Advanced robots, meta by Search Atlas, redirection by Search Atlas, canonical by Search Atlas, and schema markup by Search Atlas. These are available options that you're going to get when you add the plugin for Search Atlas on your WordPress website. So as I mentioned before, if you're looking to not just rank on ordinary search engines and you want to rank on the new AI LLMs, this is the way to go. So go ahead and check out Search Atlas, sign up right now and get started. You can go ahead and check out their pricing right now to get started really easily with the starter plan so you can see how it works. And if it's the right fit for you, go ahead and jump into a bigger plan if you need. But if you are good with the starter plan, go ahead and take advantage of it right now. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about Search Atlas and what you think they should implement in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.